Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. We're not having the greatest day possible. What I mean, look at the sky, guys. It's absolutely mad. It's raining. There's a lot of rain going in the UK. We're having heavy winds the other day. Even yesterday it wasn't very good. The rain was diabolical. But I came out here at the allotment today to do my harvest of my carrots before the insects take some of them away. So let me go and grab those and show you. This is January and you can still get something from your garden. The first harvest of 2024. Happy New Year's to those who are out there. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm going to show you how my carrots are doing, or exactly how they're looking. So in this bed here, this is the bed that I had a lot of headache with. This is the bed where the foxes was giving me a nightmare. Obviously, it's really turned out to be one of the best section of gardening that I've done for a very long time. These variety of carrots are autumn king, so they really can handle the cold a lot better than other varieties, and they can really produce some big carrots. If you look closely, you can see some of them protruding their heads right there. I'm going to pull a few out. I know they're a little bit late because I should have harvested them a while back, but I didn't. I just wanted to see because we haven't had much frost in the UK and they were still there in the ground. So I'm going to grab them out today because this is the time where the slugs, the worms, look for something that they can consume in that time where it's cold, where it's not a lot of vegetables or anything around in abundance that they can consume. So they go for the next best things, which are the things that you're supposed to take home. But obviously with gardening, you have to sometimes give back to Mother Nature. You cannot take everything from it. So let me grab this and move a few things out the way. Let me just pull out one and see how. Let me remove that dead. Just chuck it over there because the slugs can have that. The worms can eat it. And look at that, guys. Look at that. That's a beautiful carrot. It is getting to the point where it's getting old, but that's a beautiful carrot. Obviously, this is a no-dig bed. I didn't even thin them out. These carrots I didn't thin out, so you will have some which are not as brilliant as others. Look at that one, there's tiny. And then you're gonna have your mid-range, but it's still all edible. And the leaves are super edible, especially if you have like rabbits, or you can cut them up in salads and add them, because some of us are eating salad boxes when you go to the restaurants and stuff like that, or the supermarkets, and you buy your carrots. Not just the root area is actually edible, so are the leaves. Sometimes we actually go to the supermarkets and buy these, you know, these veggie boxes or salads, what you guys call salads or whatever, even though we know sometimes salads and they got tomatoes are a fruit, but we don't want to explain that to everybody. They should kind of know because we went to school somehow. But some of us, yeah, we don't know. We mentioned certain things which are fruits and vegetables. There's a big difference, but tomato is a fruit. But going back to what I was saying, these sometimes are chopped up and added to the salad, and then you have that little crunchy taste. You can even eat it by itself just like that, and it's beautiful and crunchy in a salad. Let's pull this one. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Not much blemishes on it, not more holes. Let's get this down and try to get the rest of them out. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is it. This is how, and this is the reason why I wanted to get these out. As you can see here, you see the slug in there. It's embedded in there. It's trying to eat this because there's nothing much around for it to eat, and it's definitely trying to keep itself going. Look at it. And you see all these white things here? That's a sign that the carrots are way overdue. I need to get them out. Let's throw that back over there. Let them eat it. Let's get these out of here. Let's put a few more. Okay, there's a little bit of something eating it there, but it's still good to take home and eat. Let's see if there's a big one in there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Just beautiful. Come on, it's January, and your boy Rambo Green Hands is harvesting stuff in the cold and wet weather of the UK. This is amazing. I'm gonna try to do, or should I say, I'm going to try to make sure I'm not doing too much disturbance to the soil. Just a little bit of wiggle because it's no dig. It's so easy to pull out. Look at that. So easy. Doesn't take even a little baby could pull these out. Look at that. Come on. Why are we not growing more things at home for ourselves? This is the life, guys. It's just amazing. Look at that. You ain't gonna get a carrot like this at the supermarket for free. Does require you to do a little bit of work, and you know how it was grown. You know how far it's gonna go because it's just gonna go straight from here to your home. Look at that, guys. Just beautiful, beautiful carrots. There aren't a lot of big ones, but come on. Pop that in your home. Have that in the kitchen, ready for some soups. Because this is the season where soups are really important because the cold weather. Obviously, I'm not the biggest fan of soups, but these are some baby ones. That's fine. We can still put you in the pot. Ooh, there's a one here that's refusing to come out. Just give it a little wiggle, and there you go. Beautiful carrot. There's a couple more at the side here. Look at that. Come on. Why aren't we growing more vegetables for ourselves? The world right now is worried about all these other things which are in our food, but the best way to know your food is to grow your food. There's one more in here. I'm gonna remove it and see what we get. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at the leaves. Look at that. If it was a bit of springtime, this carrot would have really done well. It would have been humongous. Look at the strength of this growth. And he was trying to put on new leaves. He was still trying to put on new leaves, but I'm removing them and taking them home. I think, oh, there's one more. I can see you. There's one more just here. Let's remove it and see. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at that. 2 beautiful carrots. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get them out of here and show you how this small little tiny harvest, guys, look how beautiful and healthy they are. Beautiful carrots. Amazing. And this was done through all hard work and perseverance, because this is the garden bed that the foxes have absolutely annihilated everything that I was growing there. But it's January and I'm still harvesting. That's what it's all about, guys. Getting out there, planting something, coming out here and harvesting your amazing healthy vegetables. You know how they grow. If you don't know how they grow, do a little research, come on and try, and you can eat these things. And before we go, I want to add an extra thing there. I want to pull up one of these parsnips that I have here. There's a beautiful parsnip right there in this bed here. I want to try see if I can get it out. I might need, because they go really deep down into the ground. Let me see. I call them carrots, cousin. Let's see if I can wiggle it out. If not, I might need to get my, because this is all no dig. Okay, you don't want to come out. Come on, let me have you. I might have to use 2 hands, guys. It's like pulling teeth. A little wiggle. Ooh, there we go. Beautiful parsnip. Carrot's cousin, and it's gonna be really sweet. And I always like to give something back to the ground. Look at that, beautiful parsnip. Thank you, guys. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. I hope you have a very amazing new year, and look out for more harvesting. I know it's January, but I have a few things that I need to harvest from the garden. As I say, please look after the planet, because we just have to, or else what are we gonna eat?